Sure. Guys, listen. Question in a minute. They say we should prove that TOP, this angle, the outside one, is equal to 2 times the angle K on top. So, on top here, that's
Construct.
we construct, yes, that's the very first thing. We can construct the ray, we draw under construction, draw K, O, and produce it. Right? So, you don't know where a broken line in my head like that. Then I can label this as 1, 2, 1, 2. Because it's a bit easy for me. That's all. So, my focus is going to be on this triangle with KOT. So I can say in triangle KOT. Okay? So when I can say angle OK is equals to OT. What's the reason? Radii. Okay? Then from there, if I say that those two sides are equal, so therefore angle K1 is equals to angle T. Right? You can have angles opposite equal sides. You can have these two sides. Angles opposite equal sides. Again? And then the left array, but angle O1 is equals to what? Angle K1 plus angle T, exterior angle of a triangle. Any question? No question there? So, since we're looking at angle O1 K1 plus T, we already know also K1 T, so I can write T in terms of K. So that simply means, therefore, I can say angle O1 is equal to what? 2 K1. I'm going to put it in the same thing that I did on this triangle, I can do the same thing on the other triangle. Right on? So, you know it again. You know it? In triangle OKP or OPK. Next. In triangle OKP. Angle. Okay. Angle what? Let's follow the same thing. Okay. That's still fine. Okay is equals to OP. Doesn't mean radii, yeah? Yes, sir. So therefore angle K1 is equals to angle P. The resident number angles opposite equal sides. Again, from there we can say but, and I use but, ne? Angle K1, K2. Oh yeah, O2. Yeah, what they did there. Angle O2 is equals to angle K2 plus angle P. That's from this thing, guys. This angle is equal to that angle plus that angle. Yes. So this will be exterior angle of a triangle. Okay? So if I work this out, the same thing that I did here, I know already K1 P. So therefore I can replace this figure K1. And then I can go back and confirm I'm on K2, K1. Okay? Yeah, so if K1 I'm going to go again, because I'm on K2, I'm P, you don't want to K1 as K2. But if I add both of them, angle O2, which is equal to angle K. Ne? Now I can say this O1 again plus angle O2. Did you get it right? 2 times O1 plus O2. Maybe 2K. Indeed, let's. Did you get it? Segment that other theory. Did you get it? 2 angle K1 plus 2 angle K2. I can take out a common factor here, which is 2. I'm going to have K. If it is K1 plus K2. Okay?
Yeah.
And then it's going to be equal to, what is O1 plus O2? That's TOP. Okay?
Yeah.
It's going to be TOP. Top of the mountain. So therefore, angle TOP. What is K1 plus K2? TKP. TKP. So it's 2TKP. Then you proved it. Next question. Shoot her fast. Shoot. I'm not be hearing on the video. Let me just erase. Ne? Shoot her fast there. Question. What am I talking to? Get a scribble project. Look at that. I spanner. It's indicator. Now I have to draw.
Sir, I can install something better than that.
We'll get it.
You can hang a cable from here.
Yeah.
I want.
Let me tell you.
I'll say hi, baby, Euclidean.
Euclidean is not difficult. Actually, for me, paper 2 is much easier than paper 1. For me. I feel like I do it. It's a 3. Because if you do it, that's about 90%. And you don't get to listen.
Why more?
Why more? Guys, remember here. 8.2. We are given a diagram like this. I'll try and edit the videos today so that once I go ahead and and then the music you going to the card. Then the body they let license at least the stable rate. Okay? So A, B, C, D. And then that's all. Then I go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and that's that. So now, guys, we are given that. Let me read the statement. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, and ABCD is a circle quad. Next, OB and OD are drawn. Next, so from there, let's O1 is 4x plus 100 degrees. O1, this angle here is 100 plus, okay, 4x. And then, you have to have in angle C. ZCC.
So that's quite wrong.
X plus the 4. What are you different? You have parts, ne? How do you use it? Do you have more?
C.
X plus the 4. Then let me fix it first. So, finally, O1 and O2, and I bet you come 100 plus. When did you O2?
O1,
O1 key,
yeah.
Oh,
X plus
Oh, and you on
100 plus 4x. Okay?
Yeah.
That's sharp. So what's the next question? Part A. Calculate given reasons the size of x.
Which one is X?
X.
Oh,
Yes.
so everybody equated.
You cannot equate them. Angle at the center, but remember we are speaking about angular angle with relative to this one. So we have to say angle O2 is equal to what? 360 minus into 100 plus 4x. Doesn't mean revolution.
Angles around the point.
Angles around the point. Revolution of angles around point.
So O2 is equal to 360.
O2, actually you take O1 plus O2, like what was the step it's a matter of, and then you're going to say 360 minus 8. So if I simplify it, you know what O2 here, which is
260.
it's going to be 260 minus 4x. Any further questions?
No.
Nah, not so. Now, I can say angle O2 is equals to 2 times angle C.
Yes.
Again, doesn't mean angle at center is equals to 2 times angle at circle circumference.
I must not understand.
This
O2 is the one on top.
is the one on top. Yes.
The angle that's equal to the one on top. I see error don't first.
And that is 260 minus 4x.
So which one is it? Which one is 2 times of A?
This one you can say O2 is 2 times C. Alien 2 times A, here I am O1.
What's the reason for that one being 2 times of C?
Let's look at that. O1 to A. Between O1 and O2, which one is the best way for that theorem here? Angle at the center, twice the angle of the circumference. Between O1 and O2, giving you the best part is to say angle at the center. It's 2 times angle at the circumference. So remove the same thing. If you talk about diagram like this one, this one you can say is equal to 2 times that.
Oh, man, can you say when usual? Oh, okay. I said no, can you say that you get a bit fast? Why don't you say I learned 1, 2? I don't have it.
So listen guys, ne? So do you agree with me that here O2 here can be written as 2 into this one, x plus that 4. Okay? So it's going to be what? 2x plus 68.
68. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So here O2, let me equate them.
Equate them.
Yes. So O2 260 minus 4x is equals to 2x plus, what's this? 68 again?
Yes.
So I can take this to the other side and that to the other side. So I'm going to have negative 4x, yes, negative 6x, minus 2x, which is equals to 68 minus 260. So that's negative 6x minus under 1 negative 192, yes. So if I divide by negative 6, negative 6 that cancels that, x is equals to 32.
Actually, math my copy either.
Maybe it's enough.
I try to. Why is degrees?
Let me tell you one thing. Oh yeah, it's all it's because of 8.
Accept what?
What's the next question? Oh yeah, that was 5 marks for the entire thing. Next.
Yes.
Right. Go on. Shoot it, ladies. Shoot that fast. Send the book. Shoot the book fast. Yeah. Right. Can I erase here?
So Euclidean says I've got this one. I said, what are you doing Euclidean?
Wait, let me.
Who are you going to do Euclidean?
First time. When I start, keep like a starter. The reason I don't start Euclidean is because it often simplify. People prefer Euclidean, I don't know, and this thing is very. Especially now we
It's going down tomorrow.
but Labona is closer to what I wanted to do. It's closer to Fama.
Easy.
The Google doesn't there.
Right? So, guys, I'm trying to draw this thing exactly the same way you cut in that. So, line is a mark. I'm and then we have O, A, M, B. Egg with the most. Sharp, guys, listen. It's not like this, ne? But hey, it's almost like that. My man, how I told you to projector the screen. Everything is working easy. In the diagram, O is the center of the larger circle. Eng with the most eng, guys. Sharp, quite fast. Remember, guys. O is the center of the larger circle. OB is the diameter of smaller circle, right? Chord AB of the larger circle intersect the smaller circle at M and B. So now, they say, write OMB, write the size of OMB, then provide the reason. Guys, cafe to
Line drawn from the center perpendicular to A.
Did they say perpendicular though? Did they specify the perpendicular? No.
So we can't use that.
You can't. But and the line and go to your thing. When I'm going OB is a okay, OB sorry. Is the diameter to the smaller circle. So if OB is the diameter to the smaller circle, therefore this angle here is 90 degrees. Angles in the same circle here.
Yes.
That's all. So therefore, you can say provide a reason why. Okay, OMB is then equal to 90 degrees, reason being angle in a semi circle. You can say this next, or you can say OB is a diameter.
So if I say perpendicular, but I'm wrong instead.
But now my teacher when I used to say, when I'm preparing you, if you want to do some factors in I'm making you whole. So that thing has to get I must provide the reason every day. Yeah. So 8.3.2. They say AB, given that AB is square root of 300. So meaning, let me use a different. Meaning, what we mean here is AB, this here, guys, ne, is the square root of thread ne? AB is the square root of thread OM. Back OM you guys? OM is 5 units. And giving reasons, calculate the length of OB. Now, guys, I'm already given that AB, square root of 300, okay?
Yeah.
Remember that theorem here, grade 11, it says, if a line is drawn from the center, perpendicular to the chord, it bisects the chord.
That's it. You think for the first question, we can't use that because we don't know.
At that time, but note that I will identify this is 90 degrees, so therefore this thing is perpendicular to the end. So therefore, let's converse that in. If Baufile or we have a chord and then Mona, therefore this line OM is perpendicular to AB.
Yes.
Let you have no seven out of worship for you. That way you should take a therefore. I'll give you a chance. Now, 8.3.2 guys, we can start first by saying AB. Sorry, MB. We can say MB is equals to 1/2 of AB. Do you agree? Do you agree? Reason it about a line from center perpendicular to chord bisect the chord. Yeah. The term bisect in mathematics means cut something into equal halves. Could be angle, could be side, to cut into equal halves. Sharp. Sharp fading. After that, now that we have this, I can say from here, MB 1/2 into square root 300, which is square root 300 over. It's not 50.
No.
over 2. You can't say that.
You not say.
5 over 2.
If it was 300 without square root, then look at that.
5 over 3.
That's what I was saying.
5?
No, you haven't.
5 root 3. 5 root 3. AJ numbers.
Yes, sir.
Now that another 5 root 3, let me use a different. We use Pythagoras. You see 5 root 3. Now let's go use Pythagoras on Tola let OB. So I can say OB is equals to the root of, now normally guys I get at the square root, you like it in plus or minus. Right? And then literally what's this? 5 all squared plus 5 root 3 all squared, and then but because I have a regular distance, so it's going to be positive again. So it's going to be the square root of 25 plus
25 times 3.
25 times 3, that's 75. 75. So it's going to be, the answer is going to be
Square root of 100.
10 units. It's a boy and with the
Okay. Now we are fast on sign.
Kapaso sa dini? It's a distinctions.
And then,
But picture. Picture, yeah?
jeez.
Emo na nakateta pita mo look ito ba?
Yeah, so now what you want to one of the
O kana this physics. Amara Tuesday. Kasi physical science yun yung nalo. Sa physical science yung kadala. Physical science mo na, it's very short. Why explain that part where it's a question yung happy. If they ask let's league, it was like let's jolo hand the market it's gonna be about either to some units of momentum or that. But I know some momentum of the vertical projectile or both. Just repetition of the paper like this. What is that? Can I use sharp or that?
what you don't want to
Yeah, that's why you know the whole course like the give chance. Cut out sign in class. Hey guys, I don't know how I'm gonna. Okay, in and it's easy. I can draw it fast. Right. I have a line like this, and a line like this, and a line like that,
And
and a line like that.
why not?
Like that. I guess this is another video. So we have E, G, F, A,
I'm so tired now.
B, C. So guys, we are given that this is parallel to that and this is parallel to that. Right. Let's check another form on the diagram. What we are given on the diagram is, but in the diagram, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Keep that in mind. It's important to understand that part. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram with AB equal to 14 units. Let's go right now. 14 units. If it's 14 units, what do you guys? So Limona, I have the entire thing as 14 units. That's why I said to you, it's important to know the property of parallelogram, what's the opposite sides are equal. Yeah? Now, let's go to another thing. AD is produced to E such that AD, we did this yesterday, the ratios. AD to DE is equals to 4:3. Now, what does this mean? This simply means if we are in terms of the key ratio, but this simply means AD over DE is equals to 4/3. 4/3. But let me write it as 4K, 3K. Guys, listen. This key ratio that this side simplified. Keep that in mind. AD is not 4. DE is not 3.
Yes.
But AD divided by DE is 4/3. Does it make sense? So let's go and write it down. Remember that is 4K to 3K. AD here, 4K, DE 3K. Unfortunately, I'm working at 2K and then 2K. Right, the question is calculate with. Oh, nah, there's one thing I said to include that. They are saying EB. Okay, yes, EB is 21 units. Let's go write it down. This, how fail. Okay, pencil on that now. 21 units. Right? So, guys, listen. Question here, listen to this. Calculate with resins the length of FB, Facebook. Now, what do we have? Guys, we have this line that is parallel to this line. Which theorem applies here?
Which line is parallel to which line?
Like DF or DC is parallel to AB.
Proportionality.
Prop theorem. Okay? So therefore, you are going to say AD over DE is equals to EF over FB. Does it mean we can say prop? Excuse, just for like explain this one. How in your prop theorem now you should include the lines that are parallel, and that's gonna be you can either say DF parallel to AB or DC parallel to EP. So let's go. DF parallel. Yes, AB. This is why I always advise okay. Euclidean we master. The activity then you go and study it. What's the vision people? So I remember EF over FB. Yeah, 4K over 3K also. Okay? So if I simplify it further, therefore I can say because EF you don't want to buy EF to 4K, let me just write 4K and FB okay? Sorry, 3K. I repeat.
The other way around.
Yes, I can calculate 80 over GB is equals to FB. Oh, I was supposed to say FB. That's one understand correct. FB over EF. FB over EF. Right? So, why do you want to have A? So that's going to be 4K over 3K. So, meaning man, and another guy here, 4K. Okay? So, now I can. Now, the ratio of this side to this side is 3:4.
Yeah.
Okay? So, meaning if I have to calculate FB, I can say my FB is equal to that 4. K over 7. Do you guys understand?
Yeah.
Because the entire ratio here, this side, which is EB, that's 7K. But that's not the size here, EB. Ne? It's just the ratio of the sides. But the side EB, that's 21 units. So we can times that by 21. Okay. 7, 14, 21. 8 times 4, 12. Meters, 7 units. Just 12 will do. Not.
That gives you 12.
Right. Question number 1. Let's go. 9.2. They say provide with reasons that triangle EDF is similar to triangle EAB. This can confuse the similarity the congruence. Congruence is the similarity A. So let's go.
B, C.
Yes. EAB. Reprove is similar to EDF. So we can start first by saying angle E is equal to angle E. Reason being, common angle here. Angle here is common for both triangles. Another reason is another one. EDF. E angle DF is equal to what? Is equal to angle A. You might dispute that. Corresponding angles
Yes, because
such
of
that
the
DC or DF is parallel to AB. Doesn't matter if we say DC or DF, doesn't matter. Like really doesn't matter. Right? Third angle. More than you can either say angle EFD is equals to angle, let me say EBA or ABE. EBA. What's the reason? Why you can also say corresponding angles, kappa you can say from sum of angles of a triangle. Ne? So if look what I so you can say corresponding angles such that DC is parallel to AB, or sum of angles of So therefore, we can conclude with triangle EDF is similar to triangle EAB. Reason being, angle. So A. Guys, remember how do you prove similarity? Similarity, you prove it using all angles or you can use sides and then you check it with the ratios. Like for an example, if both lead this side, both lead that side. If both on that side, both on that side. Both lead that side, lead that side. So if we want to prove our ratio, this side to the entire side, this side to that entire side is equal to this side over there. Then we can say the yes. No. How side is as if Alika and Agofe. We can just say the ratio I think the Alika and Agofe. Right? Any further question?
No, sir.
Can I raise this part? And that's a ratio dealings. Kapashuta, Kimashuta. Come on, afraid.
What's that? What's the shit around there? What's that?
What's that?
I can one hour show it. I'm gonna be feeling it. I want to corresponding cafe.
Shoot up first there. I'm not.
Sharp, sir.
Right, let me erase this part there. Now, one last question. It says, calculate with the resonance the length of FC. Let me use the word. Let me use this one. Guys, by calculating with resonance the length of FC. Okay? Do you guys agree with me that the reason why these people ask us to prove this thing, ne? The reason why we want to prove this thing is because they know the movement of the triangles are similar. The military and the triangles are similar. Therefore, if triangles are really similar, therefore, the ratio of this side over the entire side is equal to this side over, let me say, if, okay, triangle EDF is similar to triangle EAB. I get it? So therefore, ED over EA spot.
To the game.
EF over
EB.
And it's also equals to what? DF over AB. Why? Because the triangles are similar.
Alright.
We can only do that provided the sides are, the triangles are similar, right? So now that What do we know? We can calculate DF, Radmila.
We have ratios on both sides.
Yes, I can say, let me
14
see.
units of
I'm almost going to say point theorem now. Think about it. I'll hold.
Not now. Kita won't.
I'll hold.
Nah, I don't find the values in me. I'll show you.
I see, okay,
Right? Mama, guys. So since you're about this part, I can include any of the two. Get from here, get EF yaka over this is equal to that over there again. And then, so the meaning DF over AB will then be equal to 3K over 4K. Let me just write the 14 units more than that, because that's 14 over there. 14, so I'll cross multiply 14, cross multiply 14. That cancels that. DF is how much?
3 over 4, yes, times.
Is it 8, 7, 8, ne?
21 over 2, actually. That's what we have, right? 3 over 4 times 14. It's 21 over 2. So
21 over 2. 21 over 2 is okay?
11.
10.5 units. So therefore, what will be FC? FC is going to be, therefore, FC AB, which is 14 yard. Again? Minus 10.5, and what's the answer? What's the answer? 10.5.
Yeah.
I'm not. Sure.
Yes.
Man, something is wrong. One or two kids in your room. No. Guys, askis. Let's erase this. Bo. I'll edit that. Since all these two are similar, askis ED over EA. Remember, it's the ratio each side triangle again. So ED over D, not DA, EA is equals to EF over EB, which is equals to also DF over AB.
I wouldn't suggest cos negative.
Yeah?
I wouldn't suggest cos negative.
Whatever that is.
So,
So,
including no cutting.
yeah,
You can't.
so if we use this one, EF over AB, equivalent 3K over, what is EB? 7.
Yeah.
7K. Guys, can make a mistake, my bad, ne? So, the DF, okay?
Nothing.
Again, over 14. Again?
Yes.
Then I can cross out the 14, cross multiply the 14, then this will cancel that. So yeah, now it makes sense. Right? So DF of that. K cancels K. 6. That's 6 units. So if DF is 6 units, then what is FC? Therefore, FC will be equal to, remember, this is a parallelogram. So these opposite sides are equal. So if it's 14 units, lemon is 14 units.
Yeah.
So that simply means
14 minus 6.
14 minus 6, and that is 8 units. So meaning more than 8 units. Any question?
Yes.
What's the question there?
No.
Okay. Shoot the first three. As I'm doing this, last one, then can local lines.
Then go from there.
Honori, kila local.
Ito mga local and then ina na sa test nila kung
This one is a no. Because look at this diagram. Drawing this diagram is about a lot of things. Unless you can tell for movie cable moment and just record this thing. Right, so yeah, guys.
So,
Tafu. Yeah? Tafu. Alba tatuso.